Hello and welcome to another episode of Biscuit Train. Choo-choo. Okay, so today is another one of those special snack time. Mom's by herself because baby boy and husband are at a sleepover snack that's just for me and I don't have to share. And sometimes that's really all I've got in life is not sharing my sweets with a small child. So, what we are going to do is we are going to make my favorite cookie in the world, white chocolate macadamia nut. And we're going to do it without a recipe. So, we'll see what happens, okay? So, the first thing we're going to do is we've got Big Mama. Big Mama is the hardest working lady in the kitchen, I'll tell you that. I don't know how I did anything without her. And now she's here, and I just get to bake like magic in my kitchen, and it's amazing. So, what we're going to do is we're going to do 1 stick of butter, cut kind of into chunks. You want it at room temperature, because I don't know if you've ever tried to cream cold butter in a mixer. It doesn't quite work out the way you'd like it to. It's always worth a shot, you know, but it doesn't work out. And we're gonna do about 3/4 of a cup white sugar. We're gonna do, there you go, that makes more sense. Clear down as we work so it's not in my way. We're going to do like 3/4 cup. Yes, 3/4 cup of brown sugar. We're going to put that down, lock it down, and we're going to cream it together. And then after you've kind of broken up the butter a little bit, we're going to do, get it going. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I love a fresh baked cookie. I love it. What are we doing? We're doing 2 eggs. That didn't crack. And 2. There we go. And you want to cream it together until it's nice and fluffy. We've got our handy blue spatula. Ooh, it looks so pretty! I'm so excited! It's so pretty! Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to stop that because it's loud and it's yelling at us. We're going to move this whole cutting board out of our way because we don't need it anymore. We don't need you anymore, cutting board. We're going to dump it in our sink. Alright, now in this bowl, because you don't want to mix your dry and your wet ingredients in the same bowl. You want to mix them separately. Makes for a nicer, fluffier, chewier, more all around amazing cookie. And we're a cup and 3/4. That's fine. Alright, now we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder because I don't want like a large cookie. I don't want them to rise a lot. I want a chewy, delicious cookie. Oh, I got something just for tiny whisk. I got a tiny whisk just for this particular purpose of whisking dry ingredients together and it's teal, and I love it. And that's all I have to say about it, but I'm real excited about it, guys. Okay. Now we've got that out of the way. So we've got like 1 3/4 cup flour, we got half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk it together. All right, now we're going to turn this back on low. And we are going to slowly incorporate our flour into our dough. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I very rarely get time to myself these days. I don't know if I've told you that in the last couple of videos. So when I do get time to myself, Mama goes a little crazy. A little bit. That's alright. Ooh, it looks so good! Okay. Ooh, we locked that down, remember? Look at that. Is there anything better than the sight of cookie dough? I'm gonna go with no. No, there is not. Now we want to stab, stab, stab. Stab, stab. Stabby, stab, stab. I just want to thank you all for spending this time with me. It's never not a good time baking cookies with other people. That makes sense to you people? That makes sense? Alright, so now we're going to do a hefty, heaping, delicious cup of white chocolate. Back up in our baking cabinet it goes. And we're going to do a cup of macadamia nuts. You can chop them. I'm throwing them in whole, mostly because I only have the one cutting board and it's in my sink. So, now you don't really want to mix those in there. Oh, Big Mama, you're filthy. See, I like to treat Big Mama nicely because I paid a lot of money for her and she works real hard. So, you don't want to leave her all filthy with flour. There we go. Alright. We're going to unplug. We're gonna put her down. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now we're going to take our trusty spatula. Woo. We're going to hold this bowl like it's our new best friend. And we are going to fold our nuts and our chips into this bowl. Oh, it smells so good. Look at it. See that? That's gold. That's gold right there. That should be the currency that we pay people in from now on. Chocolate macadamia nut cookie batter. Okay, so we've got them all combined in there. We're just gonna try it. So good. Okay, so we're gonna cover this. We're gonna put it in our fridge for 2 hours. Possibly. Wait 2 hours. I might not wait 2 hours. I might wait like 1 hour. Because I'm impatient and I hate waiting. Unless it's for bread fries. I'll always wait for bread fries because it makes my house smell delicious. So yes, cover it with plastic wrap. Put it in your fridge. 2 hours. And then we're going to bring them out. We're going to cook them in our oven, preheated to 350. We're going to go about 9 minutes. And then I will see you guys on the other side. All right, boys and girls, and we are back. I did wait. The 2 hours. I played many muchness of the Animal Crossing. So here they are. Our white chocolate macadamia nut without a recipe cookies. They're golden brown. I can see massive chunks of white chocolate in there and the nuts in there. I'm real proud of those guys. I think they came out just perfect. Excuse me, we're going to let them cool and we're going to eat them. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that you go forth and you bake amazing things, because we're stuck inside, guys, and you might as well have delicious cookies while you're inside. I will see you guys on the next one.